Already started it. Have you ever woke up and had scars on your face? Dude, I woke up with this one time, this. See that? Dude. Ah!
You snapped it, yes you did. Why you snapped it? Why did you snap it?
I got mad. Hold on, let me see.
Don't skate on that.
I'm about to.
Don't skate on that.
Let's try it on this. See,
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, dude, I'm not.
Man, you better go to the emergency room. Come on.
One more. Wait, I'm not done.
Wait, you see? Here, hold this. Hold it.
No, do not keep it like that.
I don't want to break it.
I said keep it like that. Well, snap the board.
Come on, let's go.
That's what skateboards get for making people mad.
Ah!
Let's go.